Introducing the stunning 2020 Ford Puma St-line in red, with a 1.0T 125 Mhev engine and manual transmission. This MPV is loaded with comfort and safety features like no other, including air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. With a luxurious interior, advanced technology, and sleek styling, you'll be driving in style and safety. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a stop and start system, tachometer, and Powertrain Warranty. Rest assured with a full health check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us now or visit windsor.ie for more details. Drive home in your dream car today.